Yo, hi. So, is it gonna light? Is it gonna light? Is it gonna light? Right. Let's do this. Hi. Well, welcome to our house tour. So, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna give you a house tour. So, as you can see, I am in the hallway for now. So that is the front door. And these are two doors that leads to a storage cupboard. So, as you can see, it's got a meter in there. It's got a shoe rack, so you know we can pop our shoes in there. It does have a coat rack, but Doug's decided to pop his jacket on this. So yeah, that's door number one. Going on to door number two. It is an empty cage, by the way. It's just like a boiler. This isn't ours, by the way. Just like a little, like, I don't know, extra bits in there. We've got our bedding in there, which is really, really nice. I'm not going to show it fully. Let's go over to this door. This is our bathroom. It's not the best, it's not exactly amazing, but I actually like it. I should see toilet, and then, you know, this is where we shit and piss. Sink. We have two mirrors. Ignore the bed hair. And then we've got a nice little shower, which is actually quite nice. We need to change the head on it. And we put our towels on there, and then we've got our basket for our dirty washing, because you know, you need to clean them. I'll take you to our bedroom. Now this is where the magic happens. Joking. So yeah, it's a nice sized room as well. So obviously our bed. Charity shop, absolutely you know, such an amazing bargain, such a great bargain. Yeah, nice window, lets lots of light in, I must say. And there's my temporary setup. Sorry, I do have a cold. So yeah, I've still got to unpack and everything. I go back to work on Wednesday, and today is Monday. So I have 2 days to sort out my suitcase, bring pack whatever I need, and then pack the rest away. So I just don't get annoyed. Well, not literally annoyed, but you know. So yeah, this is my temporary setup. I love my chair, it's so comfortable, from B&M. And this little plant here, this little fella, his name's Herbie. This is what one of Doug's sisters got us as a housewarming gift. So you plant him, well, you feed him every 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah. So we come back out here and we go into this room. So this is the kitchen diner. Well, no, sorry, kitchen living room. It's a massive kitchen, actually. Lots of storage space. There's our rats. The cage is not fully sort of like complete yet, and we do have hamsters. Hello, little guy. This is one of our dwarf hamsters, and we do have another one in there. And before I get anyone saying, oh no, they can't live together, they can. Dwarf hamsters can stay together. If they start fighting, then, you know, that's when you separate them. But thankfully and luckily, they don't fight. They actually get along. So yeah, our kitchen's nice size. It's not obviously clean. We've just got to pack those things away. There's our dishwasher, fridge, freezer. Yeah, as I was saying, we've got lots of things coming for the rat cage. We just wanted to get the essentials first. They like sleeping in their little tray for some reason. And so yeah, we have lots of bridges and others, all toys and tubes and climbing frames and hammocks to go in their cage. So once they're here, we're going to give a good thorough sort of clean and sort it out. So yeah, there's our breakfast bar, which is really, really nice. And yes, over here we have the area, the living room. So we haven't got a TV unit yet, which is why that's on the floor for now. We've got some pampas grass. B&M. This is from B&M. These are from the range, I think. Sofas were also from a charity shop. It's so nice and comfortable, and we got it like for a bargain. Doug set up for now, which is really, really nice. We've got a beanbag, a nice little view, and the best part is we've got like a little communal garden, communal courtyard area, which I might show later. But yes, it also comes with a allocated parking space, which is sort of like underground. Well, not sort of like underground, but under the house flat thingamabobbin. Let's see if I can get this. So yeah, so that is our house tour. And we do have sort of like a C&D mirror. So yeah, our little house tour for now. I don't know what else to say apart from, oh, I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, I need to keep sort of like, I need to sort of like teach myself to look at the lens, not the screen, because yeah. But yeah, and as you can see, lots of natural lighting. So, and it's in the middle of literally everything. Right, we'll go down the road, and there's a massive park that also leads to the city centre. You've got bus routes, you've got 2 train stations nearby, you've got lots of shops, you've got a high street. Oh, excuse my nose. I'm just getting over a cold. Thanks, Doug's dad, by the way. So yeah, so that is our little house tour. So I think for now I'm just going to end it here. Oh, we've got a little intercom as well. But yeah, we do plan on staying here for like maybe a year or 2. Ideally we would like something a little bit bigger, just because, you know, we're both gamers. We have, you know, hamsters and rats now. Yeah. So yeah, that is our house tour. Oh, clock. It is currently 11:10, and I need to get myself a cup of tea. And I've got the job interview in about 2 hours. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have watched this to the end, we're still so close to 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, adios.